Happy morning, everybody. Let's move to Gladman. And before we move to Gladman, just that little base. What helps you in implementing Gladman? Who are the people who can implement Gladman almost effortlessly? Who are the people who will go through a struggle to implement Gladman? Now, those of you who are here, who are a part of the Life School family, but for some reasons you haven't been a part of KMM, you might be at a little loss. What is this Gladman all about? In the second session of KMM this year, we spoke about a superhero whose name is Gladman. And the word glad, which makes him a superhero, is an expansion of 4 qualities that he has. These are his 4 superpowers. And it is these 4 superpowers which helps him to live an exceptional life. G in glad stood for, does anybody remember?
Gratitude.
Gratitude. Very simple, gratitude.
Gratitude.
Gratitude. L stands for laughter. If when I'm anchored onto gratitude, my mind doesn't complain, therefore it's easy for me to focus on solution. When my mind is focused on ego, which is the opposite of gratitude, or complain, which is another opposite of gratitude, I only find faults in things and people around me. So gratitude is what shifts my mind to a brilliant frame. Then is laughter. Laughter helps me to diffuse the strangest and the fiercest of situations. If you have gone to see a movie and it's a horror movie, and it's an intense horror movie, and imagine somebody gives out a small but a loud fart. One sound comes. And as that sound comes, there are some people who immediately laugh. And you will find because of that laughter, the horror which was existing in the environment gets diffused in seconds. So when you are going through the strangest and the toughest of times, the mindset of solutions, but for me to keep looking at it and the energy to implement, I need laughter, I need that smile, I need that sound around me. Which is why the second superpower of Gladman is laughter. You look at anybody who has a sense of humor, and you will know here is a person who can go through the challenges of his life beautifully. If you look at people who are very serious in nature, they might still be achievers, but joy is not present so much in their life. In laughter, everybody becomes equal. A 1-year-old child and a 100-year-old grandfather, both are equal. There are many people who would say laughter is a sign that the divine is still alive inside you. Laughter is a sign that the divine is still alive inside you. So don't be too serious. Be sincere, but don't be too serious. And have a brilliant sense of humor. Crack the worst of pages. Nobody laughs, you laugh. But have a sense of humor. Laugh enough times every day. Enough times every day. To remind you about laughter, buy that laughing Buddha if you don't have one, and place it right in front of wherever you are. And if you have a computer expert or a Photoshop expert, download a picture of laughing Buddha and superimpose your picture on that face. Take that printout and send it to all your friends. This is my new avatar, the laughing Buddha. They might argue and say, when I look at this, looks like laughing Buddha and not laughing Buddha, but that's okay. Saying that they will smile and our objective is still achieved. Now, to overcome challenges in life, we need power. What gives us power? Ambition. Goals are an extraordinary way to live life because it helps me to overcome the lethargy of my past. The more ambitious you are, the faster you can bounce back. The more ambitious you are, the faster you learn from your mistakes. The more ambitious you are, the greater the support system you can create around you. When a rocket has to go beyond the gravity of Earth, it needs something which is called escape velocity. To move beyond gravity, I need extra power. That power will give me escape velocity. Now, this power which is needed in that rocket is what ambition is all about. If you are not ambitious, let's say if your married life is not okay and you are not ambitious, you will brood over the past forever. Forever. You won't be able to come out of it only. If you are not ambitious, somebody said something to you and you got hurt, and you will stay hurt forever. You won't be able to forgive. If you are not ambitious, you only live in the past. Unless you are spiritually extraordinarily evolved, then you live completely in the present. But let's assume none of us over here are spiritually really involved to that level where the only life plane we live on is the present. So if you want to live a great life, you need that power which ambition gives to you. Sometimes people tell me, Naren, I have a very good social conscience. I educate one child every year. That's not ambition. The Kamwali Bai who comes to your home may be educating 3 of her children in the limited income that she has. And your income, I assume, is 10 times, if not 100 times more than your Kamwali Bai. And if you think you can educate only one child, it's more about a social tick mark rather than a passionate belief. And you need not invest money to educate 100 children or 1,000 children. If you can do it to 25 and you tell others, I am doing this, I will drive it, do you want to also, तुमको भी इसका लाभ उठाना है क्या? Do you also want to gain the joy of helping another child? And 25 will become 1,000 children before you realize. And you still invest only for 25 children. But you are ambitious about that fact. You're not ambitious, you will give that money to one child and you'll think, देखो मैं कितना अच्छा इंसान है, and look toward God and say, देखो मैंने पुण्य किया, जरा mark करो. Chitragupta, who's supposed to be sitting there, noting down your pap and punya. Ambition नहीं है उधर, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. The past is like a banyan tree. And if you have uproot that banyan tree and everything negative of that banyan tree, it is the power of ambition which takes you out. I mean, in an extreme case, let's say one of my friends over here is minus 25 crores in life. Your money is gone, your business is in deep trouble, your assets do not have that much value, you are minus 25 crores. One thing is to be sad and somehow take phone calls throughout the day of people whom you owe money and wait for a miracle to happen. In the history of humanity, have you ever heard about anybody who's a bhakt, devotee, who is not having enough money and God simply comes and gives him money? Any religion, anywhere in the world, have you heard of a story like that? God helps those who helps themselves. Himmat-e marda, madad-e khuda. And what is this himmat all about? Himmat not only in I will face it, but in the next 5 years, if I have to earn 100 crores, what should I do? Whose help can I take? Who would like to partner me? What is the industry in which I go? Where is the future? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, do your research and jump into it. And before you realize, not only that 25 crores will be paid, but you will have a lot of surplus with you. Ambition, my friends, ambition. Whether it's in earning money, whether it is in social impact, whether it's in your fitness, set ambitious goals for yourself. And finally, the D of Glad Man is about development. And in development, we had a very beautiful, small, cute formula, na? Lele. You implement Lele and you get developed. Now, this is one of the biggest challenges that a trainer like me goes through. How do I help people develop themselves? There is no shortage of people who want knowledge. Knowledge के लिए बहुत लोग हैं. नरेन कुछ सिखाओ ना, नरेन कुछ बोलो ना, नरेन कुछ समझाओ ना. और ये आज क्या मस्त हो गया मालूम है. आज हम लोगों ने ना असतोमा सद्गमय, तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्युमा अमृतम गमय, ओम शांति 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 किया. उसका मतलब क्या मालूम है? बैठो मैं तुमको समझाएगा. Knowledge is there. But what does it take for you to become a living example of that knowledge? That's the game. And that is where development comes in. That is why Gladman did not have knowledge as a base. It has development as a base. And this will be the most critical part of what I want to speak to you in a little while, development. Today we are going to create a template, and through that template we are going to attempt to clear a focus on development. So this is the base of Gladman that we discussed about. 4 superpowers: gratitude, laughter, ambition, and development. So this might have become a small revision for you, for those of you who were there in the last Sunday's session. And for those of you who are experiencing it for the first time because you are not a part of KMM, I trust this would have given you enough leeway for you to understand what Gladman is all about and live as a glad man or glad woman. Now, what is the base? And then, what is the face? Now, these two are crucial. Gladman has a base and Gladman has a face. The face is developmental plan, which we will discuss afterwards. But the base is a sense of security. Either I live an insecure life or I live a secure life. If I'm insecure, I'm anxious. If I'm insecure, I have possessiveness. If I'm insecure, I'm not transparent. If I'm insecure, I cannot anchor myself on gratitude, laughter, ambition, or development. Let's go back to where we started, our childhood. We started today's process by mentioning about how the giraffe gives birth to a child, how the child of the penguin has to search for its parents among lakhs of other penguins, how a calf of a cow immediately finds from where it has to drink milk, and how when a human baby is born, They are absolutely stupid, insignificant, and they have no clue about what to do with themselves. At birth, human beings, you and me, are the stupidest among all the species that exist in the world. Now comes parenting. The role parents play and the environment play in our life. Fortunately, there are certain families where the child feels very secure. When the child is hungry, the child gets food. When the child wants touch, the child gets a hug. When the child wants to speak, there are people to listen. When the child does a mistake, people are firm but gentle. When the child is hurt, there is somebody to pacify. Where the parents or grandparents understand, my child needs to believe this world is theirs. They are not threatened for their survival. They have a place of immense security. They are good. They are valued. They are respected. They are accepted. They are good, which means they have qualities. They are valued. What is good is beautiful. They are accepted, whether they are tall or dark, whether they are light or short, whether it's a boy or a girl, a first child or a third child or a fifth child. They are accepted. And in this, the child feels very secure. When somebody is there to hug the child and make the child come take my warmth, feel one, they feel very secure. Inside the womb of the mother, the child is very secure. The child has no conflicts. It has no struggles. And that is where it experiences the divine. There is an experience of oneness. बच्चों में भगवान का स्वरूप होता है, कहते हैं हमारे लोग. Unfortunately, in some families, the child gets a lot of judgment. The child is ignored. The child faces a lot of violence. The child is punished. Let's say your son does a mistake. Do you beat your child then? Let's say your daughter did a mistake. Would you beat your daughter then? Let's say your spouse, your husband or wife did a mistake. Will you become aggressive and tell them, get out of my house? And I know of people who play this drama in their lives. When they tell people this, their family members, their own wife, their own children, get out of my house. Now, this kind of a behavior, where there is violence, where there is aggression, where there is punishment, where there are threats, where there is physical abuse, where there is emotional trauma, somewhere a child might develop a huge sense of insecurity. In some cases where the parents have affairs, and the child knows about. I mean, if the child finds that my mother is not good enough for my father, and my father needs to have affairs outside, what will the child feel about itself? Rejected, completely rejected. When there is talk at home about money and only money. I was told by a young lady who's doing the batch, who just did the last batch, that Naren, my father the other day called me and said, do you know how much money I have invested on you so far? And what is the ROI that I am getting? कितना पैसा लगाया है तेरे ऊपर और क्या मिला मेरे को? When the child is an investment where ROI is being calculated, what do you think the child believes? Secure? And how will an insecure person have gratitude? They are struggling for survival. Feeling secure is a huge part in living a good life. And where does feeling secure come from? Actually, from your childhood. But let's say one of us or a few of us had a traumatic childhood. We didn't have a good childhood. Let's say our parents had messed up heads. Let's say one of our parents, maybe the father, maybe the mother, was very aggressive. Maybe they were control freaks. Maybe there was violence. Maybe there was threats. Maybe the father could never earn enough money. Maybe socially we could not stand up. Maybe our parents were always exploited. And all this fills the heart with anger, fear, and insecurity. We were broken as children, and we lived broken lives when we were adults. And now these broken people will create children. And they will pass on what they have got or what they think to the next generation. Because these broken people, which is broken glasses, looks at the world. How do they see clarity? The glass itself is broken. Things look like overlapping. The sizes are not seen right. Most of us are struggling our entire life through what happened to us in our childhood. Understanding this trauma, Life School created Wow Parenting and said, चलो यार कम से कम parenting यहाँ से सीख लो. Let's focus on how to create a beautiful child. Let's focus on how to give the child tremendous security so that the next generation is not a broken generation. I request all of you to pray for Wow Parenting, and may we be able to create impact in millions of lives, and therefore in a single generation change the way the whole world is. That's the objective of Wow Parenting. But now the question is, what about us who are broken pieces? We're already broken. You and me can't go back to your childhood and attempt to set things right. नहीं कर सकते. Therefore, what to do? The solution still lies in glad men. The solution lies in D, called development. It is dark night. Nothing is visible. The lightning flashes for a couple of seconds. And in that you are able to see everything. And then the lightning is not there anymore. Now you're not scared because you saw it. And now you can wait for the night to get over because you know it is there. Only thing is, because of darkness you're not able to see. Now your mind goes in conquering darkness. It is not afraid about, oh my God, what is going to happen? The darkness was conquered by a flash. Development gives you these flashes in your life. A country may be very poor, goes through a phase of development where it is called a developing country, and becomes rich like Switzerland. Highest per capita money in the world, Switzerland. And even if you take only the mean and not the extremes, the highest is still Switzerland. The focus was on development. It might just be a slogan, but it's a brilliant slogan. Sabke saath sabka vikas. That's why I have a special love for Vikas Bhandari. मतलब सिर्फ विकास नहीं है, भंडार में विकास है. मतलब छुटकू सा विकास नहीं है, बड़ा विकास है, एकदम भंडार वाला. All others, I have love for you also. But Vikas Bhandari is Vikas Bhandari. Purely by name, he is loved a little extra. You may call me partial, but that's the truth. Now understand, I was speaking intensely for 15 minutes. Then there has to be a little laughter for all of us to relax. And then we'll continue the same way, so that even if life is intense, we still keep it light and not make it dark and heavy. For many of us, the focus is not on development, the focus is only knowledge. And we are very excited only to get knowledge. That's why if a guru comes, we go to listen to guru. अरे वहां भागवत कथा लगी है, चलो 8 दिन जाने का है अपने को. अरे महाराज जी आए हुए हैं चतुर्मास में यहाँ पे, अपने को ना रोज सुबह जाने का है. Our spiritual leader has come. We have to go to see him and meet him. We think the presence of knowledge is enough. It is not. Everybody has the knowledge of forgiveness, but they still might carry hurt in their heart and therefore bloused out very aggressively now and then. Knowledge to hai. Who does not know the importance of health? Knowledge to hai. Who does not know the importance of respect? Knowledge to hai. And look at the irony. Sometimes you might go to a program and you listen to something and you say, यार ये सब तो मेरे को मालूम है. The focus is on knowledge. The focus should be on development. When your focus is on development, the knowledge that you need, you search for it and it comes to you. When the focus is on knowledge, that knowledge which is not required, you will be happy only by collecting that also. And then we'll make certain conclusions and judgments out of a knowledge that we have. Like my mother was telling me the other day, अब तो कोरोना किसी को भी हो सकता है. And I asked my mother, माँ ऐसा क्यों बोल रही हो? अगर अपन मास्क पहनते हैं, हाथ वाथ अच्छे से धोते हैं, ज्यादा इधर उधर कहीं जाते नहीं है, तो अपन सेफ है ना? बोले क्या बेटा, अमिताभ को हो गया, अब तो किसी को भी हो सकता है. तो अच्छा, अमिताभ को हो गया तो किसी को भी हो सकता है, मतलब क्या, उसका लिंक क्या है? बोले बेटा तेरे को नहीं समझता है, तू रहने दे. Now, whenever I have a discussion with my mother where logic comes in, and if she knows that she won't be able to convince me, she very beautifully uses this Brahmastra of hers. तेरे को नहीं समझेगा, तू रहने दे. That knowledge that if Amitabh has it, anybody can have it in the world. Now she has put it in all WhatsApp groups also. She was asking my Bhatija how to make it as my status. But there is no development about protection or about being safe. Don't focus on knowledge. Focus on development. And what's the beauty of development? Every time you develop yourself, you become secure. Every time you improve, you realize, I have moved ahead in the journey, so that fear becomes a little less. Every time you have become better, your self-esteem and your confidence goes up. And therefore, you can outlive and outgrow the chains of insecurity that you have collected and nurtured across your entire lifetime. Do you get angry every now and then? How are you focusing on development? What you communicate, people are not able to agree, you are not able to change somebody's thoughts. There is something called talking and there is something called communicating. In talking, only you have to understand what you're saying. In communication, the other person also has to understand what you're saying. Sometimes in communication, words are not required. But in talking, words are always required. No words required, and I communicate it to you. And sometimes you can talk for 45 minutes screaming at somebody, तुम गलत हो, तुम बेकार हो, तुम्हारे में अक्कल नहीं है, तुमको समझता नहीं है, and you communicated nothing. Then you might go to a friend and say, तू उसको समझा यार. How about saying, teach me how to communicate? तू उसको समझा यार, you will need that friend for the rest of your life. I will develop myself. You have become better and therefore more secure. Do you have a developmental plan? Personal development plan. These are the areas I'll improve, these are the areas I'll become better, these are the areas I'm going to master. Any person who wants to live an exceptional life should create a personal development plan, irrespective of your age. So let's say Anil is there, Mohan is there, and let's say their age is in the range of 65. You are reading so many stories about people living for 100 plus. विच मीन्स 35 ईयर्स कम से कम बाकी है। 35 साल में क्या करें अपने लाइफ के साथ? चलो एक प्लान बनाते हैं। उसके लिए 2020 में क्या क्या सीखने का है, डेवलप कहां कहां करना चाहिए। A child goes to school every day to develop itself. And once we leave school, our learning stops. That's why you come to life school after that. Personal development plan. It can be something as simple as, I don't know how to create a team. I don't have a good support system. एक साल के अंदर I will develop friendship. I will develop my second line at office so that I have a great support system. For a social level, my friends. For office level, a team. एक साल के अंदर डेवलप करेगा. And to develop that, this is what I am going to do. To learn how to do great friends, who are the people I know who have extraordinary friends? है कोई आसपास में जहां मतलब वो दोस्तों से घिरे रहते हैं? एक आवाज करो तो 15 लोग इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं। चलो यार उनसे बात करता हूं। करते क्या हो, कैसे करते हो? हाउ डिड यू रीच वेयर यू हैव रीच्ड? हाउ डिड यू डेवलप दिस काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंड सर्कल? What went wrong in the journey? What are the markers I should look out for? What are the changes I need to bring in myself? And I'm going to learn and implement and learn and implement and learn and implement. मगर एक साल के अंदर ना, I will have a lot of good friends. And I'm willing to give 2 hours every week for this work. Every Friday, 6 to 8, I am on a friendship development journey where I learn the techniques, I improve my within, I identify the right people with whom I want to have friendship. And if I want 10 friends, I'll attempt with 25. Some may not want a person like me. Their loss. लेकिन एक साल के अंदर बॉस 10 अच्छे फ्रेंड्स होंगे। फिर हम लोग हॉलीडेज के लिए जाएंगे ना, एक साथ 30-40 सीट बुक करेंगे, बहुत मजा आएगा, धमाल होगा। हाउ अबाउट फिटनेस? यूनिवर्सल इशू। Today many parents have this question, बच्चे सुनते नहीं। And I ask them this question, it's a little hurtful question, point blank question, but I ask them, do your children see you as a hypocrite? Do your children see you as people who have double standards? You tell your children eat right food, but the child does not see you exercising. So the child says, my parents are hypocrites. But since I need money from them for my college and for our pocket money, sun lo chupchap. It's like the emperor has no clothes, but kaun bol ke panga lega? Digital hypocrisy. While we may tell our children, तुम लोग बहुत ज्यादा हो फोन और लैपटॉप में. When the children look at us, what do they see? So are we digital hypocrites? If yes, बच्चा सुनेगा लेकिन करेगा वही, तुम सो गए क्या, फिर 3 घंटा लगेगा ऑनलाइन. Do you want to develop yourself there, where you say, I want to be a role model for my children? Anything that I ask the child to do, I will be a living example. Anything that I want my child to do, I will be a living example. How to develop myself and where to develop myself now then? Do I need to develop myself by becoming more systematic? Am I all over the place doing multiple things and always haphazard and always running behind time or things, always forgetting things? बहुत haphazard है क्या मेरा life? Do I need to become more systematic? किससे सीखूं? It's not a question of willpower, it's a question of technique. High jump is not willpower, it's technique. Running without injuries is not prayer to God and willpower, it is technique. Conducting a training program is not just willpower, it's a technique. Similarly, if I have to become well managed, it's not about आज के बाद सब चीज टाइम पे करूंगा. It's a series of techniques. When a square plus b square happens, or when a plus b whole square happens, a square plus b square plus 2ab happens. It's a technique. Into 12, 144. In the mind, there is a technique. I don't have to write 12 times and then calculate. There is a technique. Willpower is required to defeat the mind when the mind becomes mediocre or weak. But where techniques are required, techniques work. So to live a better life, to live a glad man life, where do you think you need to develop yourself? Forget about glad man for some time. To live a life where you have great bonding with people whom you love, your spouse, your parents, your children, just for this. Ultimately, बच्चों के लिए कर रहे हैं, शांति के लिए कर रहे हैं. That's why it ends with Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. For a good family life and for great peace of mind, where do you need to develop? Then for success, where do you need to develop? Then for yourself, where do you need to develop? Your courage, your insecurities, where do you need to develop? So development has 3 planes. Plane number 1 is I need to develop myself for myself. I live a life out of fear. और किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. मेरा ही पैल्पिटेशन बहुत बढ़ता है. मेरा बीपी हो गया. I want to develop for myself. I become jealous of others when others are doing well in life. I need to develop myself. Harshad wrote, beautifully writes, I want to become humble because I often sound arrogant to people. I want to develop that humility inside me. How to become humble? So take a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper, make these three columns. One is develop me for myself. Me for myself. The second, me for my relationships. And the third, me and the world. My potentials, my ambitions. Success. Me and the world is fundamentally success. It is also about impact. So me and myself is for security. To feel that deep sense of security, जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो जाए अपन हिलेंगे नहीं. That kind of a security. कोई कुछ भी बोल ले अपन हिलेंगे नहीं. I should be able to handle any onslaught on me. That is me and myself. Then it's me and my people, my relationships. This is for love and peace. The third is me and my ambitions and impact. Impact is purpose of life. Now that I'm happy at home and I have a lot of love in my life, what will I do with myself? Create some miracles, solve a problem in the world, play my role in lifting people, get all the success I want to live the life of my dreams and experience the best things in life which money can buy. Three different levels of development or three different verticals of development. When I do not focus on development, I hope that things remain status quo and it doesn't become worse. And if things go wrong, I blame others. When I develop myself, I can even look up and say, bring it on. I'm your product, so I will definitely succeed. तेरे को क्या देने का है तू दे, मैं फिर भी जीतेगा. Your path of spirituality comes in me and myself, where your spiritual evolution will make you feel secure like nobody's business. So even if Mirabai is told you have to drink poison, she still feels very secure because she's spiritually evolved. Even when Jesus is crucified, he still says, Father, forgive them for they know not what they do. Still anchored onto spirituality. Times are tough and you start complaining means faith does not exist inside you. If your life is anchored onto spirituality and if you live life out of faith, in tough times, how do you become morose or sad? Nelson Mandela goes home and his wife Winnie Mandela is there. Nelson Mandela looks very sad and tells Winnie Mandela, I don't know we'll succeed or not. I am very sad today. He goes inside, changes and comes out, and he sees Winnie has changed into black clothes. Nelson Mandela asks Winnie Mandela, his wife at that point of time, what happened? She just said, God has died. Oh, what do you mean by God has died? How can God die? And then Winnie Mandela looks at her husband and says, if God has not died in your heart and if you still have faith, how do you become sad when there are setbacks in life? So either from now onwards I will wear only black, which is a color of mourning. So that let me tell everybody in the world, my husband has no faith anymore, which means God has died. Or I will wear colorful dresses, but I want to see my husband smile even when things have gone wrong in life. हो जाएगा, वो है ना, जो अपने को करना अपन करेंगे, लेकिन विश्वास नहीं है तो इतिहास नहीं बन सकता. If you don't carry faith, you cannot create miracles. So me and myself includes, do you want spiritual development? And that's not knowledge. It's not going and studying Jainism and therefore you are spiritual. It's my faith in the Creator. It's my belief that I'm born to do something significant. It is anchoring that if I am going through something in life, I needed this for me to be who I am today. And this is required for greatness to come out of me. That is faith. My will should not prevail, thy will should prevail. That's faith. Do you have a personal development plan for yourself, in your relationship with yourself, where you throw hurt, fear out and replace it with joy, faith, bliss, peace, and gratitude? To do this, what is required? That's your development plan. Otherwise, it's knowledge. करोगे क्या? Would you say I'll wake up at 6 o'clock every morning and practice for 1 hour different chantings and pranayams? Give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I'm not speaking about knowledge, I'm speaking about development. You don't go to a guru's ashram, listen to his lectures for 3 days, come back and remain the same person and think you're spiritually online. You know, I am very spiritually right because every year I go 3 days to my guru. Then development is me and my people. Do I get angry with them? Am I harsh with them? Like Harshad mentioned, do I become arrogant sometimes? Do I put them down? Do I threaten them? Am I making them insecure? Or because I am there, they feel very secure? Now, security here does not mean you making their life safe or easy. Security is about the belief in them that they can. And in case they need support, you will be there. And in case they make mistakes, you are not going to judge them, you are going to understand them. That is what security is all about. I won't be judged. I will be understood. They might be tough, but they will not be harsh. I can be honest and transparent, and they are not going to sunaw that to me for the rest of my life. और अगर गिर गया ना और उठने के लिए किसी का हाथ चाहिए ना, that hand will be there. Only one thing with you and your people. Do they feel secure because of your presence in life, or are you the cause of their insecurity? How are you planning to develop yourself? How are you planning to develop yourself? The greatest myth is, actually I don't need development, they only need development. You need a guide, you need a coach, you need a friend, you need a mentor. You can't see your own face. And that's why we have life lessons every Sunday, and that's why we do the class of Let's Explore. All of us need somebody to be with us who makes us feel secure. And in turn, it becomes easy for us to make others feel secure. So the litmus test of me as a person is, do people feel secure because they have me in their life? Begins with my parents, my spouse, my children, my siblings, and expands into people at my office, and expands into my extended family of life school, where all of you are as dear to me as my blood family is. Whose help will you take to develop yourself? Who will be your mirror? Whom are you going to make yourself accountable to? In the presence of whom do you have to go and say, I messed up? Or where will you say, I'm not able to make enough roadways, can you help me? You have an accountant, but you still need a chartered accountant to audit. And in your life, you don't need anybody to audit you. It's like knowing that my books of accounts have such mess, I don't want an auditor. Because पूरा कचरा बाहर आ जाएगा. And with this, how will your insecurity go away? Your insecurity will only become intense. And the worst of you will come out with people whom you love the most. Critical part of our life, which less than 1% of the world focuses on. And that's why we have a broken world. We don't become accountable to our own family. And the third part of development, the final part of development, me and the world, results, ambition, goals, impact, success. For that, where do you need to develop yourself? It's easy to find a guide here. Lot of business consultants can be there who will give consultancy to you on how to make your business better. find a guide, find a mentor for yourself. Even when you are doing exceptionally well, have a coach with you. PV Sindhu won the world championships and she still has 3 coaches. Number 1 in the world, and yet she has 3 coaches. You and me are not number 1 anywhere and we think we don't need a coach. Can you understand the dichotomy? We are not even in the top 100 and we think नहीं मेरे को जरूरत नहीं है, मैं बहुत होशियार है, मैं बहुत भारी है, मैं अपने आप कर लेगा ना. You can't. A doctor cannot do operation on itself. A masseuse cannot give massage to themselves. All of us need a coach. If you are sincere about development, if you are committed to development, you will find a coach and mentor for yourself. In every development makes you secure. Just to give you a classic example about how much we don't want to develop. Of late, have you heard people say, मेरे को ज्ञान मत दो? Do you say this every now and then? ज्ञान मत दो. If you are already punctual in life, nobody is going to tell you be punctual. If you are late in life and if somebody tells you be punctual, what's your problem? If you are very fit in life, nobody is going to come and say, see, you should be regular and take care of your health. If you are overweight or you have more diabetes, and if people say, don't eat sweets, what's your problem? Why you don't want Gyan? Because you don't want to develop. And those who want to develop will welcome all the Gyan in the world. It is so unfortunate that Gyan has become a sarcastic word in our country today. क्या यार वहां जाएंगे वापस वो ज्ञान देगा. अरे, it is such a beautiful thing. Knowledge. That which can help you in life. You can choose from whom you want to take knowledge. They should be living examples of the knowledge that they give. It makes it easier for you to implement, but blocking development and showing मेरे को development नहीं मांगता है, मैं जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. I am guaranteeing you, sooner or later you will slip into insecurity if you don't have insecurity yet. You will show jealousy if you are not showing jealousy yet. You will not be able to take feedbacks and you will move into self-pity. If somebody says, ये काम क्यों नहीं हुआ? इतना तो काम कर रहे हैं, 16 घंटा तो काम कर रहे हैं, ये एक काम नहीं हुआ, 10 काम तो मैंने किया है ना. Self-pity. Because you're focusing not on development. You don't ask people, यार ये काम भी होना चाहिए था, मैं कर नहीं पाया, guide me now on how to manage work. Then you want to develop. Don't tell me to become better, look at only the right thing I have done. If you have a mentor or a well-wisher in life, unfortunately or fortunately, they will tell you what is not okay and what is not going okay. It's their job. If I am Kundalik's well-wisher, I will tell him, Kundalik, इस एरिया में अपने आप को डेवलप करो. I will appreciate him every time he does something right, but I will also tell him, I will be a mirror and show him, this is not okay, Kundalik. If Kundalik is developmental oriented, then he will welcome that. If he does not want development, if he is a broken piece himself and he does not want to become secure, then he'll slowly withdraw himself from me. And every now and then he'll send me pictures of his achievement. नरेन पुरंदर में हमने ये किया, नरेन दीप स्तंभ का हमारा ये हुआ, नरेन यहां मैं चीफ गेस्ट के लिए गया, वो सब भेजेगा, but he won't talk to me. Because when I talk to him, I will say, okay, darling, so this which was supposed to be done. If he is not a broken man, and if he is a secure person, he will speak with me and say, नरेन आगे क्या करना चाहिए मेरे को बताओ ना. ये 100 लोगों को तुम्हें हेल्प कर रहा है, लेकिन रोज का अगर 1000 लोगों को हेल्प करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए बताओ ना. Let me tell all of you something. Who you are, you have reached your peak. Now, if you want to go somewhere else, you have to develop yourself. The person you are, you can manage and maintain life at this end. But if you want to climb higher peaks, you will have to develop yourself. If I want to develop life school, from face to face in class sessions, I will have to develop myself to excel via technology. And not just this kind of a session which is happening, where it's just the people are not present in front of me, but in front as icons on the computer. Not just this, but different techniques by which an online training program can be 10 times more powerful than the offline training program. क्या कर सकते? What is the world doing? What are the best people doing? Where are people investing lakhs and crores to create online modules which create huge impact? And how is it that we can scale that? If I don't develop myself, coronavirus will be the end of my career. If I develop myself, this is the beginning of my career. मगर डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. So there are these two factors. Factor number 1, a sense of security. Factor number 2, developmental plan. In between is glad man and glad woman. You want to implement glad men brilliantly in your life, which you deserve. Do whatever it takes to make yourself feel secure. Give up on toxic people, toxic relationship, toxic work, which is draining you. Take a standpoint, make a few choices. We call it as shake. What are the skills you need? What are the habits you need? What are the attitudes you need? What is that knowledge you need? And what is the energy you need for development? I can't go and change your childhood, and you can't come and change my childhood. That's already done and gone. And it's pointless to blame our parents. They did the best they could. But now where we are, we definitely want a great life. And to have a great life, I want to be very secure. I don't want anything in life to shake me. Forget about breaking me. It should not be even shaking me. And as of today, the route for that is development. Where I identify 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 areas I want to develop, decide who can help me to develop, fix the time required that I am going to invest to develop myself, and get on with it. The smallest of developments will give you brilliant thrill. If you have old parents at home, if you can just make them learn how to use the mouse and take one picture on the screen and put it inside one folder. If you just help your parents or grandparents with that work, see the joy they feel. अरे ये ऐसा हो गया, अरे ये ऐसा होता है, अरे बाप रे. And they will actually feel like Einstein because आज कितना बड़ा काम कर दिया हम लोगों ने, एक एकदम नया चीज किया. They developed a part of them. And there is thrill in their life, thrill. That's what development gives. That will be your escape velocity. So this is what I want you to do. In these 3 columns, write at least 3 areas of development in each column. For yourself, 3 areas where you want to develop. You might have 10, but let's focus only on 3. Me and my people, I'll develop these 3 areas. Me and my success and impact, I'll develop these 3 areas. Thereby developing myself in every moment is a nice philosophy, but how do you implement that? For implement, you create time. Where you schedule that time. Every week, half an hour, I will develop this aspect of my life. Either I'll practice or I'll go to a mentor, I'll observe somebody, but I'm going to develop myself. These are the 3 best things: practice, mentor, and observation. You observe a public speaker and you learn. You practice and you learn. Or you go to a public speaking coach and learn. 3 best ways to learn: practice, observe, and get coached. When you practice, you have a coach, they fine tune you fast and you learn faster, you develop faster. You observe and you practice and you have a coach, mind-blowing speed. Only coach, he will also develop you. Only practice, only observation, without accountability, you will get stuck. So in all these 3 verticals, choose 3 aspects of your life which you will develop. Make this grid of 9 and schedule time. So what will you need to do? Schedule a time, schedule a person. Just do these 2 things. Who will help me? When will I do it? Who will help me? When will I do it? And 1 year down the line, let's see what happens to us. Day after tomorrow is my birthday. So which means almost like a birthday to birthday thing. Before my next birthday, your development will be the gift to me. That's the gift I want from you. 1 year down the line, you should be able to send me a message and say, darling Naren, this is my birthday gift to you. I attended your life lessons on 19th of July 2020. And this is what I have done. Those of you who are really interested, you can have another milestone. By the time KMM ends, let's say 30th of September, we have about 70 days with us. In 70 days, this is my development plan. Same grid of 9, 3 plus 3 plus 3. And when you are in that momentum, you will see your life is not the same again. You will see it for yourself. You are going through the best phase of your life. And you will find it easy to implement asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityoma amritam gamaya in life. So start every day with that chanting. Remind yourself, yeah, these are my anchors. Do your routine, but focus on development. And let's make each other very proud of each other. whether you're a part of KMM or you're not a part of KMM. Send me a message saying, this is what I learned for myself out of today's life lesson. And this is my commitment to you. So share about your learning and make yourself accountable to me that this is what I am going to do. You take a day, you take 2 days, you take 3 days, perfectly okay. But I'm looking forward to reading what you have thought out of today's life lesson. Thank you so much. Love you all. Have a great week. I will see you next Sunday morning. Bye. Love you.